Hello everyone. So do you guys want to learn graphic designing from an beginner level to an advanced level? Or are you just starting on to know about graphic designing? So if you are trying to learn graphic designing from a beginner level to an advanced level, then you are in the right place where I'll be showing you guys the course of Adobe Illustrator Essentials. Okay, so here we'll be learning how you can create vector graphics. So we'll have all of this here in this particular tutorial. So let's see what all we'll be covering in this total tutorial. So first up, I'll be introducing you guys to what Adobe Illustrator is and how it is quite different from any other software available for graphic designing in the market. And after that, I'll show you how to draw using shapes in Illustrator. So as they do have the shape tool, I'll be showing you how you can actually use those and make your design. And after that, I'll be combining shapes using the shape builder tool, and also I will just cut out the unwanted places as well. And after that, I'll also use the shape builder tool to draw. And after that, I'll be making some logo shapes in Illustrator. And I'll also show you guys how you can actually use the curvature tool. And next, I will also tell you how you can actually use the pen tool and how you can actually use it properly. Okay, so using pen tool is quite difficult and might be kind of confusing, but if you come on a regular basis, like if you practice on a regular basis, it won't be that hard. Okay, and next I will show how you can draw with the pencil tool, how you will be able to change the setting of a pencil tool. We'll be learning about all of that. And after that, I'll tell you how you can use the brushes in Illustrator, what are the options you guys can actually look into of brushes in Illustrator. And I'll also show you how you can actually change the width of a particular line using the width tool. And also I'll tell you how you can actually type and also download different fonts from Adobe Fonts, and difference between the RGB and CMYK colors. So basically the full form of RGB is red, green and blue, and CMYK is cyan, magenta, yellow and black. Okay, so we'll be learning about that in detail as well. And after that, I also show you the usage of the eyedropper tool. What is the basic thing we can do with eyedropper tool? Take out color from one place to another. And lastly, I'll show you masking inside a shape. Okay, so I'll be masking image inside shape, so I'll be showing you guys different options in that as well. So as this one is a project based class, so here we also do have our class project, but by the end of this tutorial you guys will be able to know how you can actually use your Illustrator. So you guys will be able to make your own logo shape. You guys will be able to get a clear idea about the color mixing and also different tools what are available in the Illustrator. You guys will be able to make your own postcard, your graphic design, or also you'll be able to use the pen tool to make your own designs, and also will be able to make some animated cartoon as well. Okay, so by the end of this tutorial, I'll make sure that you guys will know all of this. And now let's see what all class project we do have. Okay, so here the first class project will be draw using the width tool. Okay, so I have also showed you guys the step of what all to be done. So we'll do the class project one here, like we'll draw shape using the width tool, we'll put colors in that. And the class project 2 is creating logo shapes in Illustrator. Okay, so we'll create some shapes, and please upload your work into our project panel that I can check those out and get back to you guys. So the usage of class project is like we will be also learning at the same time, and we'll be practicing as well. Okay, that we have that knowledge of how to do that things, and I will also be able to understand that how much you're understanding my class here. So if you guys do face any kind of problem during the tutorial, I'm always there to help you out. So let's not waste time and let's get started with our chapter 1 of Adobe Illustrator Essential. Okay, so we'll be learning about all that. So see you all in the chapters or in the first chapter of our Adobe Illustrator Essential tutorial.